this is Jenny from NovaStar Training Group. Glad to having Darren here today, who is very professional and popular. I think you may meet Darren before at our NCE training session in Europe. Now he's in our studio. Darren, you can say hello to our audience.
Hey guys, I'm Darren. Thanks for inviting me. And today we're going to meet new friends, which is our stage rental solution, C1 and N9.
Looks great. Can I try it?
Of course, it's yours now.
Really? Before I take it back home, Darren, so could you please give us a brief introduction of these two devices?
Sure, no problem. Okay, so the N9 is a video switcher which supports real 4K resolution, and the C1 is a professional console that can help you convert the function of N9 into physical key operations, which is convenient and fast. And you can observe all the real-time editing, operations, and double-check the effect at the preview area before pushing the T-bar to apply to the LED display.
Okay, I see. So what we talk about is not about the LED control system.
No.
It is about the video products of NovaStar.
Yes, yeah.
So, Darren, why NovaStar is involved in this field of the video products?
You got the point. It is a really good question. From my point of view, I think there will be two reasons that we start this new product line. First, it is because the video product is a trend for this industry. When the screen resolution becomes much bigger, besides the sending card capacity, how we provide a video source will be the most important part for the whole project. And the second reason is that the compatibility issues between different brands make customers suffer a lot. So that's why we decided to launch our own video product to solve the compatibility issues. Even the customer needs help, there will be no need to contact different companies. NovaStar tech support can save your time.
Okay, so thanks for your explanation. So could you please give us some further information about these two devices?
Why not? It's my pleasure, okay? So let's say N9 first. The front panel is well organized. So the left part is the number buttons that you can directly switch the video source, and on the right side is the window buttons, or you can call it layer buttons. And you are able to quickly call up the layers and record preset templates. And with the knob button and the front, the LCD menu, you can select different functions and adjust the parameters.
Okay, I think I know. This part is easy to understand.
Yeah.
So what about the rear panel?
Okay, for the rear panel, you can see all the net inputs, including one channel 4K by 2K, and including one channel 4K by 2K at 30 Hz. And we still have 7 channels, 1080p levels inputs. And regarding for the outputs, we have 4 groups of DVI output ports, and including main and backup. And the DVI also supports free switch between single link mode and dual link mode in order to more flexibly cooperate with the back-end equipment.
Okay, that's nice. I like this design.
Thank you.
And I saw there are 2 aux connectors here. So what's that for?
Well, the aux is commonly used for the live show, since the aux is connected to the teleprompters that can prompt the performer or host like you any input channel content. So therefore provide a guarantee for the stable performance for the performer or host.
Wow, cool. So I know. Thank you. Okay, here is another question just come to my mind, which I think is the most important information a customer wants to know. So how many layers does N9 support? How many 4K by 2K layers?
Okay, good question. The N9 support maximum 7 layers and 1 background and 1 OSD. Each of the layers supports upscale to 4K by 2K. But if you talk about the video source input, we support to open 1 4K by 2K layer and 2 4K by 1K layers and 4 1080p level layers. And most importantly, no matter how many DVI output ports you use, they always have 7 layers available.
Okay, this is really a good point. Because I know some other products, once the layer crosses different DVI output ports, it will occupy another layer resources. So thanks for the explanation. You can continue your introduction.
Okay, great. For the N9, the N9 also provides MVR output ports. So we can view the resolution, refresh rate, and content for the net input channels. And besides, you can also view the PVW and PGM information. See everything with just a single glance. Yeah.
Okay, sounds good. So it means we need to connect an LCD monitor all the time?
Technically, yes, but don't forget we have C1 here. So now let's see how we connect these two devices. First, we need to use a RJ45 connect the N9 Ethernet control port to C1 Ethernet port, and use the HDMI cable to connect the N9 MVR port to C1 HDMI in. Then we can realize the MVR monitoring on C1. As you can see here, we have dual LCD screen design. The left one is for monitoring, and the right one is a touch screen, allow customer to finish the settings by finger touch.
Okay, so to be honest, seeing so many buttons makes me a headache.
Yeah.
So is C1 very complicated to use?
No, don't be intimidated by quantities, because the function area is very clear. Okay, let's see. Here is the numbers area. So the C1 supports maximum 16. We support control and connected 16 devices at the same time. And this part is function area, and you can get into the corresponding interface like the mosaic, output color configuration, the EDI adjustment, background capture, etc. And this part is for the preset area. And for the C1, it supports maximum 32 preset. And next to the preset area is a preset edit area. We can also customize the preset. And on the bottom is a layer settings and the input source selection. So let's take a look at the right side. Here we have a joystick control.
Okay, I guess this part is for the layer adjustment because I see the zoom and crop in this area, right?
Yep, totally right. And if you see the T-bar here, you will know that is for sending the layer settings to the PGM with the transition effect. It supports 1024 levels fade in, fade out. So practice makes perfect. Once you start to use the C1, you will know that it's not that complicated as what you thought at first sight.
Okay, right. Thanks for the introduction. Let me have a summary here. The stage rental solution C1 and N9 can bring us the real 4K experience,
Yep.
simple operation and highly integration. The multi-channel preview thus makes our project safe and stable.
Correct.
The combination of all these functions will bring you infinite possibilities for
Yep.
your LED display. Okay, I think I know everything. And thanks, Derek, you did a great job.
Thank you.
And thank you guys for watching this video. This is C1 and N9. This is NovaStar. Experience the best. See you next time.
See you guys. Bye-bye.